In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2019 Ford Mustang fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle? And how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Power distribution box. The 2019 Ford Mustang's power distribution box controls high current circuits, supporting key functions like engine cooling, fuel management, and ignition. It ensures reliable power delivery to critical systems, enhancing overall vehicle performance and safety. Passenger compartment fuse panel. The 2019 Ford Mustang's passenger compartment fuse panel manages fuses for interior electronics and powering systems like lighting, audio, and climate controls. It provides organized, efficient protection for essential cabin features and accessories.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.